Hello guys, quick, reliable tire care. Portable air compressors for fast inflation and accurate tire gauges for perfect pressure. Keep safety and performance on track. Number 1. DEWALT DCC020IB20V Air Compressor. The DEWALT DCC020IB20V Max Tire Inflator is a versatile portable air compressor designed for fast and reliable inflation at home, on the job site, or on the road. It features a high-pressure inflation mode with automatic shut-off for precise tire inflation, plus high-volume inflate and deflate modes for larger inflatables like air mattresses and rafts. Powered by 3 convenient sources: a 20V max battery, 12V DC vehicle outlet. Number 2. ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 Air Compressor. The ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 tire inflator is a powerful cordless portable air compressor built for heavy-duty vehicles, including pickups, trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles, while also handling bicycles, sports balls, pool floats, and air mattresses. Equipped with a 19,200 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, a dual-cylinder motor, and 100% duty cycle cooling, it delivers ultra-fast inflation at 42 liters per minute, 1.5 CFM, and can inflate a 31-inch tire from 30 to 35 PSI in about 1 minute. Number 3. Astro AI Digital Tire Air Compressor. The Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge, 0 to 150 PSI, is a compact and accurate tire pressure checker designed for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and bicycles. Factory calibrated to ANSI B 40.7 standards with plus or minus 1 PSI accuracy, it delivers reliable readings in 0.1 PSI increments and supports 4 measurement units: PSI, bar, KPA, and KGF/cm superscript 2. Its backlit LCD display and illuminated nozzle make it easy to use in low-light conditions, while the ergonomic ABS body provides a comfortable grip. Number 4. Astro AI L7 Tire Air Compressor. The Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a compact cordless air pump designed for quick and accurate inflation of car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports balls. Featuring TrueGauge technology, it samples pressure up to 200 times per second for highly accurate readings on its digital display. Users can choose from 4 preset modes plus a custom mode, set pressures between 3 to 150 PSI, and the inflator will automatically shut off when the target pressure is reached. Number 5. Inflator 150 PSI Air Compressor. The Inflator 150 PSI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, ITI-001, is a compact 12V DC air pump designed for fast, reliable inflation of car tires, bicycles, motorcycles, sports balls, and other inflatables. Powered through your vehicle's 12V outlet, it can inflate a 195/65 R15 tire from 30 to 36 PSI in about 50 seconds and features automatic shut-off to stop at the preset pressure for accurate inflation. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. See you in the next video.